someone else. That's what it's I'm so glad you came.
And it was very
something.
yummy. Thank you.
You know, I believe it. You know what?
Sometimes
Me too.
when it's a hot day.
But I am glad you said something because we made it.
Get a drain over and also tight.
Damn it. All right, you go get I tied her up.
All that heat has the drain for the day.
A Tesla V4.
No kid. Boy, it sounds like V8.
No, I can't afford one of them. Are you kidding me?
That's a luxury.
Chevy 505.
Okay. Jimmy 505.
505.
Hey there, Dan.
You guys are so shady over here.
Yeah.
I can tell. I can tell just by looking. Hey, what?
I see you can make it.
No. I heard you were coming, so I figured I'd be late. I don't want to see you that long.
Do you need anyone to help you pick?
Wait a minute. Oh! Oh, you grab it. You grab the dog?
I still drive the 52, the TV 52, but the radiator's so small. These are my favorite.
Maxwell Smart. Hey. Salsa and hot sauce. Just salsa? Yeah. Finally got some good help here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got 2 people out of town today.
Oh my God.
But it's all good.
Hey there. How's it going? Oh, good. Looks yummy.
I thought about that.
How you going, Sarah?